This video is to document a fantastic cuckoo clock by Johann Beha. This clock was made in Eisenbach, Germany in the Black Forest during the last quarter of the 19th century. This Beha is just fantastic. It's a beautiful clock in a very small and delicate size. The quality is just typical Beha. You see it has a beautiful double door that opens for the cuckoo bird. And we'll go ahead and open this for you here. You see the cuckoo bird is just absolutely beautiful. Retains its original paint. It's on a wood perch. Just very typical Beha. Automated in its beak and its wings. You'll be able to see it in detail when we activate the clock. You see Beha, just the level of the carving is just fantastic. While this clock is still a small, traditional cuckoo, the quality of the carving and just the detail work that's typical of a true Beha really sets it apart against other makers. See the beautiful bone-carved hands. It has its original Roman numeral on the dial, and they're attached by nails. This is just a beautiful untouched clock. Another unique feature of the Behas, and you can see, is the whole front carved gable is attached to the case by hooks and eyelets. So you see there's two on this side of the case and there's two on the other side. The top piece is also connected by hooks as well. And the movement is held into the case with the same hooks. You can also see the side doors are large, and instead of having the normal style latches made out of wire, the Behas are turned with wood. You can see inside there's the beautiful wood plate movement in this clock. And the movement's been taken apart, it's been fully cleaned and reassembled. The clock retains its original bellows, which gives it a fantastic sound, the original chains. It's just a beautiful, untouched example of a cuckoo made by Johann Beha. This is a model number 116. And the clock is signed in several places. The backboard is numbered 116. Inside the case itself, to the right and left of the cuckoo door, is also numbered 116. And then the top of the wood plate movement also bears the 116 as well. So this clock is numbered by the Beha factory in 4 different locations. So we're just going to set this clock off, and you can hear the excellent sound and see the clock in action. It's 11 o'clock, so we're going to get quite a bit of cuckoos here. Beautiful piece. For more rare Black Forest clocks, you could check us out on our website. We have a blog that documents our private collection, and that website is www.blackforestclocks.org. You hear that trumpeter clock in the background.